So again, thank you for your participation in this pre-K seminar session. I want to hear your feedback, kahit tig 1 minute lang kayo, about your realization and mga na-pick up ninyo, takeaways sa ating nagdaang almost 3 hour session.
Kanina
Let's
pa,
start with, yeah, let's start with Leo.
yes po. Kanina, Father, nung tinanong nyo kami, ay ako kanina, kung ano
Mm,
yung take away namin from
mm,
yung seminar, ang una ko sinabi, communication.
mm.
So ngayon, mas mas madami pa
Mm.
palang kailangan maunawaan bago
Yes,
bago tayo ah, bago tayo ikasal, bago yung decision natin or commitment, yung covenant nga of marriage.
yes.
Um, so, number one, syempre, importante yung communication, Father.
Mm,
Mas na ano namin yung, mas naintindihan yung kung ano talaga ang marriage at kung ano yung mga dapat naming gawin, dapat
yes,
naming sundin, ah,
yes.
yung principles
Mm,
na nakatatak sa amin, natural law, and kung
yes,
paano natin susundin para mapabuti ang aming pagsasama in the future.
yes, yes. Hindi lang kabutihan ang binibigay na pagsunod sa divine law.
Mhm.
It also gives benefits.
Yes po.
Prosperity, wealth, good health, good children.
Tsaka yun nga pa yung mga nasa Bible, parang mas naintindihan, nako-connect din namin siya in the real world. Parang yun nga,
Mm,
mo kayo Father, nako-connect din siya in business.
yes,
What you reap is what you sow.
yes.
Yung mga seeds is ideas.
Mm,
So ngayon, syempre madami akong ideas. At paano ko siya gagawin into reality, in action?
mm,
Same as pagiging mag-asawa. Paano
yes,
mapapabuti yung samahan namin through yung mga ideas din na meron sa akin.
correct.
Po.
Pag-usapan yung dalawa yan.
Yes po.
Dahil two heads are better than one.
Mhm.
And that's the joy and beauty of having an intelligent partner.
Ayun, isa pa pala, Father, kaya na-realize ko, dati kasi hindi ko magets kung bakit better half ang tawag sa asawa.
Mm,
Yun pala, better half. Kasi iisa na lang kayo eh.
mm,
Kaya half-half kaming dalawa. Isa na lang.
mm. Isang
Kinasal na.
buo na. Isang buo na. Yes,
Kaya pala better half ang tawag sa asawa.
correct. Thank you, Leo, for your feedback.
Thank you po, Father.
Maureen, how about you?
Ayun, Father, throughout nung discussion, nalaman din namin yung mga reasons na
Mm,
bakit nagkakaroon ng broken marriages,
mm,
which is the lack of understanding and application.
Tama.
mm.
Um, at least we have the idea na kung how are we going to avoid it, or
Yes,
much better, ano yung mas magandang gawin para sa healthier relationship for the
yes,
marriage po.
correct.
Ayun
With
po.
with this session na lumawak ang inyong understandings on how to handle marriage, magiging less na lang ang struggles.
Mhm.
Yes.
Less struggles, reduce risk reduce risk of
Okay.
broken relationship, di ba?
Yes po.
Magiging better managers kayo sa isa't isa,
Mhm.
Yes.
di ba? With all these principles that we have discussed. So thank you once again
Thank
for
you,
your
Father.
participation.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Salamat ng marami, and kung sakali sa wedding day ninyo umabsent si Father, nandito ako. Ha?
Thank you, Father.
Oo.
Noted.
Isang oras niliparin ko agad 'yan. So, at also pag kulang kayo sa guest, nandito lang ako, ha? Okay?
Yes, Father.
Yes
Thank you
po,
po.
Thank
Father.
you. See you
Thank you, Father.
soon. Enjoy
Thank
your
you
big
po.
day. Bye-bye.